Good morning, everybody. This is Mon. Today we are at Franklin Falls. We're at the trailhead. It's about 11 o'clock. And today I'm filming this for the first time in 4K. Hopefully it turns out well. Thanks for coming along and enjoy today's vlog. Alright, first sign. Wagon Road Trail to the right and straight. Franklin Falls Trail ahead. Trail is flat up along the creek, and now it's going up on a switchback. So it is 11:22 right now. There actually are cabins along this trail. I'm not sure whose they are. They look unoccupied. And now there are some log steps going up. It's awesomely peaceful, hiking on a trail by the creek side. We're still in search for the waterfall. Does anyone know if this is wild blueberries? I'm not sure. If you know, please comment down below. So about 45 minutes in, we encounter another sign to ensure us that we haven't gone the wrong way. So we'll go this way. So we are now close to the falls. We are here. The only negative thing is that road construction. You hear rumbling up there. I believe that's I-90. Almost 2 o'clock. We're done with lunch, pictures, and chilling. ภาษาไทยคือชิลๆ We gonna head back on the trail. Aside from the construction noise you might hear in the back there, it's very pleasant. So we're gonna go back on this other trail, Wagon Road Trail. So our guide is a little bit confused right now. I hope we find our way to our car. So a part of this wagon trail is crossing the road. It's clearly marked. So here we are, back to where we started. It's 2:23 right now. We're back here. So let's recap. I think the whole round trip is about 2 miles, like the WTA.org says. The trail on Wagon Road was really nice. Definitely it's not along the creek like we did on the other trail. So there's plenty of parking here. It costs $5 if you don't already have a pass. You can pay at the kiosk. So thank you for watching. If you have any comments about this video, please write them down below. And if you like this video, please give me a like. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next episode.